Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, we're having the palisade here. In this video, I will show you how to remove the front bumper. Before I start, please subscribe the channel, turn on the notification to not miss my video. This is million time. Let's go to the video. So, the first things you need, let me put those other things here. At the top, me coming here showing at the top, we're having those push pin. I say again, most of the Korean car gonna be same way. Nothing different, nothing difficult. Okay. Don't get wrong with the dozer bolt. Dozer is for the light. And then, if you see here, inside the fender liner, having the same push pin like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Yes, 5. I'm getting wrong. Counting. And then you will have the one bolt here, 10 millimeter or screwdriver here. This one. Okay, I'm gonna go do the same things in other side and come back. Stop it. So I did remove the other side. So underneath it, you having the 5 or 4 10 millimeter bolt like this. 1, 2, 3, and another one there, 4. Okay. Where are you? Okay. Yes, bumper free. One more. This one is very hard to see. Okay. Just do the final check. Everything is free. Yes. Okay. Really come off. And then now time from here, grab the bumper. Really do it here gently. Otherwise you're gonna bend here. And this will too. And also under the light, same things sliding together. While underneath it, still feeling is good. Okay, it has 2 push pin here too. It's hiding behind this plastic. I didn't see. I got to remove it. Yes, that's right. Actually not 2, 1 for the each side. they really make those up so tight. Okay, here is free. And here. Always scared to break it. Play a bit with it from every side, help to come out. Please don't play game with me. Ooh. Today no lucky. Now, and really come here, it's having this one, you have to push this pin, so bumper got free. In this way you can remove it. Just you can see here is a big problem because it's sliding under the headlight. Otherwise it's gonna be very easy. So if you like my video, please share it. Please smash the like button, and I will see you guys very soon. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys very soon. Bye bye.